10 things to teach your kids about failure. Teaching kids about failure is an important part of helping them develop resilience and a growth mindset. Here are 10 things to teach your kids about failure. 1. Failure is a natural part of learning. Help your kids understand that making mistakes and failing is a normal part of the learning process. 2. Failure is an opportunity to learn. Teach your kids that each failure is an opportunity to learn and improve. 3. It's okay to feel disappointed. Let your kids know that it's okay to feel disappointed or upset when they fail, but it's important to move on and try again. 4. Failure doesn't define you. Help your kids understand that failure is an event, not a person. Failing at something doesn't make them a failure as a person. 5. Success is often the result of many failures. Teach your kids that success often comes after many failures and that each failure brings them one step closer to success. 6. Taking risks is important. Encourage your kids to take risks and try new things, even if there is a chance of failure. 7. Perfection is impossible. Help your kids understand that striving for perfection is impossible and that it's better to focus on doing their best. 8. Hard work pays off. Teach your kids that hard work and perseverance can lead to success, even if they experience failures along the way. 9. Asking for help is okay. Encourage your kids to ask for help when they need it, and to see failure as an opportunity to learn from others. 10. Celebrate effort, not just success. Finally, make sure to celebrate your kids' effort and hard work, regardless of whether they succeed or fail. This will help them develop a positive attitude towards learning and growth. Subscribe to our channel, comment and press the bell button to stay notified about our new videos.